the Month Club, Theo. Some drivel in a magazine will not make you Christopher Wren.
I mean, it was tea at a nice hotel. Why does that have to be hard?
What an elevating locale. How interesting to discover you can get a cup of tea at the plaza for actually less than it costs to send twins from Princeton.
We weren't paying, Lina, and it was going along beautifully until you decided you had to die.
But today I woke up and the rain hadn't started yet, but there was a scent of it. And I made coffee. Listen.
What? Very fancy secret.